In this video, we'll talk about join. If you have not learned join, it means nothing because join are very important topic when you are working on the real life project. And join are essential because the data is not stored in just in one table, and it's stored in across the multiple tables. So we are using join to combine this data. And if you are learning this join for the first time in SQL, trust me, this video will be very important for you because we'll cover everything from the basic. So here we are going to talk about the join, means how to use join, and the type of the join means how many types of joins are available, and which join to use when you are going to use which type, means how to pick which join, and what is the syntax of that join. And we'll see some example and the problem statement, and to cover all the things about that one. Let's see. So as here the you can say the definition says join means to the combine something, means if you want to combine the multiple tables, because as already we have discussed when we will work in the real life project, so data will not store in a single table. So if data set must be stored in the multiple table. So whenever you are going to extract the data, and if you want to solve a real life project, in that time you have to combine this data. That combination is known as a join, means combining the multiple table or one or more table, it is called the join. So a join clause is used to combine the data from two or more table based on the related column between them. Because as we have discussed, means if you are going to combine the data, so let's say if we'll talk about the two table, let's take one example and we'll talk about that one. And here I have created one example about the pizza set, sells pizza. And here I have multiple tables are there, just like one table is what pizza type, and one is in pizza table, and another is what order table, and the another one is the order details table. In pizza type we have that pizza type id and the name and category and ingredients. And pizza table we have pizza id, pizza type id, and here the size of the pizza and the price of the pizza. And in order table we have the order id, date and time. And order details table, and is the order detail, order id, and pizza id and quantity. As already discussed, if we take the simple example here, and I want to extract that which type of the what is the price of that big meat pizza of M size. Here, if we'll talk about this problem statement, as the simple statement is given, and that big meat pizza of M size, and we have seen here that pizza price and size are stored in my pizza table, and my name is stored in the pizza type id table, pizza type table. And if I want to extract this data, so I have to must combine that pizza type table and the pizza table. If I'll combine, means if I'll join these two tables, so I can extract the which type of means what is the price of that big meat pizza. So let's see means which type of join we are going to use, and how to use all the things, and we'll check one by one. So here if we'll check here, that big meat that big meat pizza that is stored as already discussed in the my pizza type id table, and here in the pizza table that price is stored. So if I need to combine these two tables, so I must need a common column. so that through that common column I can combine these two tables. So whenever you are going to join a particular table or a multiple table, so here is the most important factor of that. You must have a common column in that both the table, so that we can combine these two table and we can extract the result. So let's talk about the different type of join. Means as we have talked that means I need a common column to get the data from the multiple table. So it's good, but which type of join we are going to use? So here we have the means 3 to 4 types of join. I have taken the simple 4 join here. One is what inner join, and second one is what left join, and right join, and the full join. So let's talk one by one. What happened in inner join, what happened in the left join, right join, and the full join, and how you are going to means when you are going to use that one. So in last you can check here, means I have given some Venn diagram. That diagram the is shown here, that known as the Venn diagram. So whenever we are talking about the inner join, so inner join combines the multiple table, and we are extract the what common column here, means common data within this two table. So let's see one example here. So inner join return record that have matching value in the both table. So here I have two table. One is what a left table and the right table. Whenever we are going to use the inner join, so that inner join will extract what means it will means what is the common data in the left table and the right table. So here is the intersection of the both table. So that data will be extracted through the inner join. So here if you take the example of the table 1 and the table 2, and you will check here in the table 1 and the table 2 there is only two rows are what common here, that 210 and the 212. So whenever you put the inner join in this time, so it will be extract only these three tables. So that common is what 210, 212 and 212. So let's see the syntax of the inner join. So as you have seen that the select column names from table names, inner join table name on table A column equal to table B column name. So let's see some example here. So as I have already discussed here, so what is the price of the big meat pizza of the M size? And let's say we have here my pizza sales what database is here, and already we have discussed in my pizza table. We'll see if you want to extract the data. Select star from pizza here, and another is what select star from pizza type. These are the two tables are available, and if we'll check these two, let's check in pizza table what happened here. In pizza table your pizza ID is there, pizza type is there, size is there, and price is there. So according to my problem statement, I need the M size pizza of that big meat pizza, means what is the price of that big meat pizza of M size. So I need here the combine. I have to combine that pizza table and the pizza type table, then only I can get the result. So let's check what is available in our pizza table. So in my pizza table let's say, okay, Okay, in pizza type table my name is present here. So let's say select first I'll take the star from that pizza type, and as you have checked the statement here, you have to provide the column names from table 1 and inner join the table 2. So I'll check here inner join my table T2 is what pizza. So I must need a common column to combine these two table. In my pizza table, my common is what pizza and pizza type. We will check what is the common here. So in describe function we can check the which one is the common, and here is a pizza type ID, and it will check in the same way in the pizza type. My pizza type ID is the common here, pizza type ID. So I must go with that pizza type ID. So but before as the what column is what common in both the table, so I have to distinguish these two table, and instead of writing, so I'll go for the pizza type dot what is that pizza type ID. So before that I need one some alias name given that is a P. So on what is that pi dot pizza, my common column is what pizza type ID, yes, and equal to p dot pizza type ID. So we have combined these two table, and let's see here my pizza type ID, name, category, ingredients, and the pizza ID, pizza type ID, size, and the price. So we have combined here the two table, that is one pizza table and the pizza type table, and we got this table. But now is the problem statement is what means we can go for the where clause, and where my name and name, because name is present in pizza table, so I can go for the p that p dot name equal to yes, and again, but that size is what m, which is present in which table, that we can say pizza type ID pizza. Here is the size pizza table, and the name is present in the pizza type, so we can go for the pi for the name, and for the price we can go for the p, because p dot size equal to m. So you can check here, look, we got the result, that big meat pizza, and what pizza ID is a common here, and the price is the 16. So here is the simple output, and we have seen here how to use the inner join. Okay, now we'll go for the left join. So left join return all the record from the left table and the matched record from the right table. So in this left join, so if the scenario is that if you want to extract the data from the both the table, but you need the old data from the left side of the table and the matching data from the right side of the table, in that time you will use the left join. So here the same example we have seen here, and in the table A, that is a 210, 211, 212 and 213 is present, and in table 2 there is what 210, 212 and 212 is present. So if I'll put here the left join, so it will extract the data, all the data from the table 1 and the matching record that is present in the table 2. So what is the syntax here? Same you can use. So select column name from table A, left join table B on table A column name equal to table B dot column name. Already we have discussed that there is most need a common column whenever we are going to combine any table. So we need a common column. So in the same way you can check here. So if I want to combine the data from, I want to get the data, all the order details, what are the presents in my order table. So I need the both the table. So order, so I'll go for the order. First we need to, as already discussed, we need to check which one is a common column here. So first we'll check the order table. So what is the present, means what the data are present. Already data set we have checked. Now we'll check which one present here. Let's say, so here that order ID is present, date and time is present, and if we'll go for the order details table, we'll check the description of order details. So here order ID is common from the both table. So as the syntax says that whenever we are going to use a left join, and that common what syntax would be left join. So let's say I need the select star from, means I need all the data from the orders table, and suppose I have given this O left join. So I need all the data from the order table. So I given the left join, and I'll combine with that what order details table. So I have given that alias name as the OD, and I need a common column. So that is the common column between the that order and order table, or what order ID is the common. So I'll check the O dot. So I need a on clause, and what is the common here? O dot order ID equal to OD dot order ID. So these are the common columns. So if I put the left join, so it will combine these two table, order and order table, and it will extract the all the data from the order table, and what are the matching data from the order details table. So all the data will be fetched from here. So now we'll move to right join. In the right join, returns all the records from the right table and the matching record from the left table. In the same way, means as in the left join, means it is extracting the data from the left table and the matching data from the right table. But in the right join, that is the what opposite of left join, means it will extract the data, all the data from the right table and matching data of left table. So yeah, we'll check the syntax, same syntax. So we can say select column names from table A, right join table B on table A dot column name equal to table B dot column name. So if we'll go with that our same example here, I'll copy this one, and if we'll put instead of left join, I'll write you the right join. So if I'll go here, so it will extract all the data from the order details table and matching data from the order table. So that is the main difference. Means between here is the means in left join it will extract the all the data from the left table and matching data from the right table, but in the right join it will extract all the data from the right table and matching data from the left table. So here example you can check here, means if we'll go for the table 111 and the table 112. So if I'm going to combine these two table, means here is a common column is what our we can say on the basis of matching data, means here id and eval id is matching here. So if we'll combining the with these two 111 table, so it will be returning that all the data from the our table 112, because you are using the right join. So it will extract all the data from the right table of table 112 and matching data from our table 111. Now we'll come about the full join. So yeah, in full join means it will what is the combining the two table, means it will means we can say that is the merging the two table, means it will extract all the data from the table A also and match same means is only merging, there is no matching record, means it will extract all the data from the table 1 and the in the table 2. So if we'll go with is example, we'll take this one, we'll not put our where clause, but if we'll just full join here, we can simple use join, it will combining these tables and extracting all the data. So here is the example on the left table and the right table, and here is the country code is the common here, and if you are going to merge these two table, and here just look our USA, Canada, and the 1 2 3 1 1 and 3 2 is present, but 1 2 3 4 is present, and 4 is not present in the left table. But if you are going for the combine the full join, so here is my output 1 1 2 3 and 4 also coming in my output. So we have concluded here which join to use. Already we have discussed. So we have gone to the inner join, means inner join will return record that have matching value in the both table, and left join return all the record from the left table and the matching the record from the right table. And same way if we'll talk about the right join, it will return all the record from the right table and the matching record from the left table. And if we'll talk about the full join, it means it will return all the record when there is a match in either left table or in the right table. So here is the Venn diagram I have seen. I have given here the Venn diagram, and you can check the Venn diagram in through the Venn diagram. It will clearly visible. And if we'll use inner join, so it will extract the means only the common data from the left table and the right table. And if we'll go with the left join, it will extract the all the data from the left table and the matching data from the right table. And if we'll go with the right join, it will extract all the data from the right table and the matching data from the left table. And if we'll go with the full join, it will combine the both and extract the data. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.